Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we are bringing you our full review for the TicWatch Pro. Now, the TicWatch Pro is really, quite frankly, one of my favorite new smartwatches I've used. Used it almost a full month now, ever since before Prime Day, and really the best part about it for me was just the really great battery life and making me actually care about Wear OS again, because I had not cared about Wear OS, the old Android smartwatches, for a long time. I just didn't see it as anywhere near where other watches were in terms of Apple Watch and also Samsung watches. I thought those OSs were much better. However, the best parts of this watch is what TicWatch put in itself. Namely, I really love the Essential display. The Essential display is really the big standout to me just because it gives me all the essentials, and that is really important. I need to know the time always when I wear a watch, and I don't want it to kill my battery life just because I want an always on display. Well, this gives you an always on display without actually draining the battery life so much, and really to the point where I easily get a 2-day battery life out of it each and every time. Now, I will say that I didn't test out the Essential mode for too long, but when I did, the percentage barely dropped. So I do believe that it can do up to 30 days with it. I only did about 4 days with it, and it really didn't drop that much, but that is only when you only want to see the time, get your fitness steps still in, and your heart rate still in, which is impressive. But for me, I always want my notifications going to my watch, so that is the biggest thing for me, to always have it on the regular mode so I can get my notifications. Now, that being said, you get a bunch of stuff that you typically would want with a smartwatch. One, this one actually has the best voice assistant. So if you want a assistant, Google Assistant is obviously still the best, and you have this here. That is the best part of it in comparison to a Apple Watch or a Samsung Watch. Their assistants do not compare to the Google Assistant version. Now, that being said, you can do reminders. That's what I mainly always used it for. Just instead of going to my phone or pulling my phone out, I could just tap it and immediately start telling the reminder that I need to be set or the calendar date that I need to be set. So overall, I really like it for those purposes. Now, other than that, I didn't get to check out the 4G connectivity, which again, I know I wanted to, but they are going to release it in the next couple of days. So if you do have Verizon, you can add this on. But even if you don't, this is priced perfectly. It's under $300 or at $300 depending on the time of you watching this, and right now at $280 it really is just a great buy even without LTE connectivity. You get a fast, speedy performance. Yes, it doesn't have the latest processor, but quite honestly, this has a better battery life than a lot of smartwatches with that latest processor. So I think TicWatch made the right price decisions to price this accordingly and really impressively. Overall, I think if you're looking for a smartwatch and you like the look of this, at the end of the day, I feel that is the most important part of a smartwatch. Do you like the look of it? Then this is one you should definitely take a look at. I really personally enjoyed my time with it, the whole fitness aspect of it, using Google Fit again. I really overall thought this was a great smartwatch experience and definitely would recommend the smartwatch to anyone. And you might see it on my wrist a little bit more often in some of these videos. Alright guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Have you ever tested out an Wear OS watch or a TicWatch in general? Let me know in the comment section down below. What other smartwatches do you want me to check out? I know we got some new ones coming out later this week. Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.